on Loki Lights. We're going to take a look at the HILUX lights, the pod lights, the light bars, the curved bars, and the big ol' rounds. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get started with the pods. These puppies are sold in pairs, and the cool thing, they come with a harness, but not only that, see the red here on the pods? Oh, you can switch that out for blue, black, yellow, all included. These are using 4-watt Osram chips. These puppies are bright, and of course, in the beautiful Black Ops reflectors. Moving on along the line, the new HILUX lights. Now here we have the little 6-inch. These guys are using 3-watt Osram chips, but they put out the light equivalent to a 5-watt chip. Ridiculously low draw, extremely high output. The straight bars are available from 6 inches all the way up to 50, but then the curved HILUX lights, they start at 20 inches and they go up to 54. Now, one of the things that really makes these guys perform is the new reflector design. Now we do have a combo beam here, so we got floods on the side, spot in the middle, but the light that these things project is just unreal. I've been out with the 12-inch just the other day, and we had people with us and they could not believe that it was only a 12-inch light that we were using. Next up, we're going to take a look at the rounds. They're probably my favorite light at this point in time. Stay tuned. So up here on Loki, we've got the 6 inches, and I gotta say, I love them. Alright, so that's 2 6 inches right now. We're gonna unplug one. Over here on Xena, we've got the 7 inches, and somehow they're even brighter, and they still have that badass daytime running light. How cool is that? And then of course, there's the 9-inch, 10,160 lumens, and yeah, it still has the awesome daytime running light. For me, I have mine on the roof, and I leave them on when I'm out wheeling in the daytime, and when I'm coming over the hills, you see me. You know what they say, be seen, be safe. This thing, we got some footage on it. 9-inch HILUX. Crazy, right? I know! So, these are the HILUX lights. We got a bunch of them in stock. I almost forgot. Another little thing I'd like to add about the light bars is that they are ridiculously slim. Fitting behind grills, these are the go-to light for us now. Depth versus the HILUX. And of course, all these lights, warranted for life. So forget about it. These will be the last lights you ever buy. Especially if you buy the 9-inch. You will never need more lights than this. Except for maybe rock lights. And maybe tail lights. Some fog lights, and some headlights. But anyways, you will never need more off-road lights. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, share it, follow it. Loki Lights. Thanks for your support.